This blend today that we're going to talk about is pretty easy to use. However, it has a massive impact when it comes to making breathing easier. This is the essential oil. It's Breathe, you guys. That has completely changed my life. I fell in love with him because of this essential oil.
It's true. The essential oils bring people together, and then you can have babies.
They definitely do. So Jeff introduced us to Breathe because my children struggled with breathing. And I saw the impact right away when I simply applied a few drops on my son's chest directly when he was having a very difficult time breathing, and just saw the shift, the instant impact this oil had in clearing his airways. It has just been incredible. And I now know, and I understand how essential oils now work. I'm a believer.
The beauty of it is it doesn't matter whether you believe or not, they still work.
Yep, so true.
But Breathe, we call it the gateway essential oil because when you share it with somebody, you get an instantaneous result. I mean, we're talking instant. All essential oils work within 5 minutes of using them. The molecules are in every cell in our body within 5 minutes of applying an oil topically or ingesting it. However, when you can feel your airways open up immediately, that is a powerful experience. And now the person you're sharing that with or who's using that is now innately going to want to learn as much as they possibly can about this amazing plant-based medicine. But the reason why Breathe is so powerful is because of the oils that are in the blend. As we talked before, there's synergy when you use multiple oils at the same time. This is why we absolutely love blends. And it's very rare that Megan or I ever use just one oil at a time. It's always we're using multiples, we're using blends, and this is no exception to that. So the oils.
Yeah, there's 7 oils in this blend here, you guys. And I'm gonna read them off to you. So there's peppermint, eucalyptus, melaleuca, lemon, cardamom, Ravensara, and laurel leaf. Now, a bunch of those essential oils share the same type of chemistry, which Jeff can get into it a little bit more. My favorite, my heart goes to cardamom. I love cardamom. I was fortunate enough to go to Guatemala to visit our cardamom that just grows wild in the mountains, and it was unbelievable, you guys. And it's in Breathe Blend because it's one of the main oils that help clear your airways.
Cardamom, we'll get into it because cardamom is coming up as a single oil, but there's a molecule in cardamom that supports our body in inactivating an enzyme in our lungs called neutrophil elastase. When neutrophil elastase is activated, it causes breathing problems. It causes constriction of the bronchioles. It can cause inflammation in the mucosal linings of our lungs, and it causes a lot of problems. So cardamom is powerful in that way. We'll get into all the details in the future videos or when we do cardamom. But peppermint, again, menthol is very opening, very clearing to all of our airways, our sinuses, our nasal passages, our lungs. And then melaleuca also is very clearing. And lemon, believe it or not, is very clearing and cleansing to our airways because of the high concentration of limonene in citrus oils. In Breathe specifically is lemon.
Eucalyptus, babe. We love you guys. We have it in our shower because of when you apply it topically and or diffuse it and put it in your shower, it gives you this invigorating, soothing, just opening sensation, which is why it's in Breathe.
And y'all have probably sat in a steam room before, and a lot of times in steam rooms, they'll pump eucalyptus into the room, although most of the time it's a synthetic, but you still somewhat get that feeling. And the molecule responsible for that is called eucalyptol, and the scientific term is 1,8-cineol, which is very opening to our airways. So the combination, and then last, Ravensara and laurel leaf also have those properties where it opens airways, clears breathing, and Breathe is really the best oil you could possibly use when you're having struggles breathing in any capacity.
And you'll only diffuse this essential oil and or apply it topically. And we highly recommend you do both when any there's type of threat, seasonal threat or, congestion or anything going on. Diffuse, apply topically. you're good to go.
And then one last thing before we sign off. We always diffuse this at nighttime because you want to keep your airways open when you're sleeping so you don't snore as much, your sinuses stay clear while you're sleeping. And with that, diffuse a calming oil with Breathe at night. So use it topically for yourself, your children, 3 drops, right on your neck and chest, and then also diffuse it in your bedroom at night, but also in other places in your home with like a citrus oil during the day, which is very energizing, very uplifting, the combination of the two.
Love Breathe.
Beautiful. Please share this. Please comment, like. We love the likes. We love the hearts. We want some more hearts.
I love hearts.
How about some more hearts? Let's get some hearts. But anyway, we love you guys. We'll see you on the next video.